Who else gave you all the gift?
Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
No, Patty and Grandma.
Thank you, Patty and Grandma. Bye-bye. See you later. Look at all the
Did you like all the present you got?
Yeah.
Good.
Look at my presents.
You got your pile, huh?
And I got some more.
Yay. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. I got these too.
Got mechanical pencil.
I got mechanical pencils. And now I'm gonna get ready to put my football stuff on and see what
Yay. Thank you very much, everyone. Merry Christmas all.